Yo, what's going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Today we're doing some quick analysis on the GameStop stock, GameStop stonk, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I do have shares in this. So, about if I think a gamma squeeze is coming, just real quick, I may be a little biased. I do think it's coming. I am holding, as you can see in this video. I mean, you can see my... I don't really care about disclosing my position, so yeah. I'm going to leave that right in the video for you guys, but we're going to do some quick analysis and get a quick price prediction for tomorrow's trading day on this stock. And maybe we'll get so on and so forth, other price predictions, but let's just get right into this. As you can see, I got my Webull pulled up here. Now, if you guys do want a chart that looks like this, just go download Webull right now using the link in the description. You'll get a couple free stocks, and so will I, if you sign up through that link. If not, then you don't have to get the stocks. You can sign up regular, but it's up to you. You do get free stocks. It's not a scam. I've gotten them, and so have the other millions that have downloaded it through links. But yeah, guys, they have real-time data and all that. This is not a sponsored video, so I just wanted to put that out there. Now let's get into it. Right now I'm on the 30-minute chart. We're going to switch over to let's go with the 5-minute chart and scope it out a little bit. As you guys can see, like from previous things, I have these resistance lines and support lines. So you guys can see right here, it's in a constant uptrend. I have this line. I'm hitting all the supports right there. Let's go in with the 5-minute chart. So as you guys can see, I had this pattern going where it would consolidate, spike, drop to after hours, and new consolidation. It would bump up. And then the same thing was happening. It would spike, drop to after hours, new consolidation, a little bit higher up. And then right here, things took a turn. It was a little weird right there. And then I believe, yeah, I just stopped because it was getting sloppy. The pattern stopped. So right here, as you guys can see, this is a little weird. This big consolidation area in the after hours. So let's go with we're gonna do a horizontal line, maybe like the middle consolidation. Now, besides all the factors coming in, like calls expiring and so on and so forth, other contracts, we're just gonna do this as it's like a regular stock. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see we are going to grab the poly line right here, see what it's doing. So overall, let's zoom out a little bit. Reached this highs and gradually fell. And new consolidation. This is my opinion right now, guys. So if we go out to about let's go, oh, too much, let's go 15-minute chart, let's go 30-minute chart. If we go out to March 19th, let's get this going. Where do we think this is going to be at? I think you guys can see this pattern right here as it goes in the uptrend. Now, if this continues in the uptrend, if this were to continue in the way it's going, it should be about at the $200 mark by March 19th. Obviously, us diamond handlers are expecting something a lot bigger. But let's just say this, ready? Without the constant uptrend, we'll say our pattern's been going right. Okay? Nice spike, little drop, new consolidation. And now this is where things change, right when we get about to this top resistance line at about 180. Yeah, 180. So let's go here. And if we break this resistance line, now do you guys see how this pattern right here would pretty much consolidate right above that resistance right around March 19th. Alright guys, now here's my actual expectations. Ready? So we have this support line down here. It never wanted to drop past this line. It got rejected every time. And now we're in a constant uptrend. So the support, there may be a new support line right around like the 115s. 120 is probably the new support line. I don't think it's going to drop past 120. If it drops past 120, we could see it not breaking the $97 support line. And if it does drop under 120 and goes to the 97, this is assumingly going to be a short ladder attack, and a lot of people are going to be scared. Me, not really. Diamond, I'm all diamond hands, guys. I'm all diamond hands. I will not be scared of that. So if it breaks the 120s and drops, chances are it will be supported at the $97 mark. And if it breaks, you guys see this consolidation line right here. If it breaks this, not new highs, but if it breaks the $140 mark and stays consistent above in the 140s, 150s range, I believe we may or may not see another resistance line around 160. And if we do break that resistance line, I think we probably will stay around there for a few days in the 160s, 170s. And that's going to give people a lot more confidence. And then after that, I think coming closer to March 19th, people are going to be ready and maybe break that 180 with a high spike, maybe up to the 220s right before March 19th. And I think the short sellers have a plan, and I believe we're going to see a spike, and we're going to be seeing a very scary drop off that a lot of people are going to be scared of. I will not be scared of this drop off, trust me. In my opinion, I'm not doing any DD on any articles or anything for you guys in this video, but in my opinion, from what I've seen through different articles, I feel like it's inevitable to happen. No, don't put all your capital into this, obviously. You don't want to do that, but I think it's inevitable, and it could change a lot of people's lives with what's about to happen with GME. And yeah, I may be a little biased just because I'm in the stock, but I do believe that is my quick analysis. So as for my price prediction for tomorrow, if we see a lot of movement tomorrow, let's see. So tomorrow, if we see a lot of movement, I say we break the 150, maybe even get up to 160 tomorrow if we have a ton of movement going on. 150, 160, break those. I do think if we do hit the 160s, we'll drop back down and maybe start consolidating in the 140s. For we sort of almost are right here, not quite though. If we spike to 60 tomorrow, I assume we'll see a drop off, and then we will start consolidating in the $40 range for maybe half of the week. And we'll see a lot of movement of ups and downs, obviously. But as long as we get a steady price range into the next $10 mark, which is the 140 and 150 between those, then I think that's very good for us retail investors. And I think that's a win for us. So yeah, guys, that is my analysis on this. I hope you enjoyed the video. I appreciate you guys watching this video. And, you know, whatever you guys can do to show some love, leave a like, leave a comment, or even join the family, that would be sick too. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you on the next one. Peace. Where I get you shot like a movie skit. One shot, he drop like a hooligan. How we gon' get to this bag when we focus on gunplay, but trapping is all that we got. All of us gon' make it one day like church.